Today we're going to take a quick look at a Cardinal Transient Suppression box for an analog truck scale. Load cell terminations labeled here. For the color code, refer to your load cell. Here you have a pair for each signal lead going back to your universal section seal box. The black will be your negative, and the white or colored wire, depending on cable, will go to the positive terminal. Your excitation and your sense lines will use the next two pairs up from your last load cell. So in this case, it's a 6 load cell scale, pair 7 for excitation, pair 8 for your sense lines. Sense jumpers must be set on this box if it is in the scale. If it is in the scale house and the transient suppression box is in the scale, the jumpers will need to be off. Whichever box is farthest from the indicator will have the jumpers on. This is where your home run cable is entering the box. All of the shields are combined down onto one line. You're going to wrap a little bit of tape over that and make sure you don't have any stray conductor that might short against your box. One good tip: anytime you're dealing with a colored pair of wire or a numbered pair of wire, always tape your black and white for each pair together. That way your blacks can't get mixed up, cause some serious problems with adjusting the scale or making the scale even function at all. Now, where your cables are coming into your box, you want your insulation stripped back pretty much to where it comes in. You want to leave enough slack on these cables to where if you need to, for troubleshooting purposes, switch between two load cell terminal blocks, that you've got enough slack to do so. Your ground lug is located right here. That ground needs to be connected to the AC building ground. If you have a situation where you have a ground rod at the scale that you are grounding to, you need to make sure that that ground is bonded to the building's AC power ground so that those grounds are common. These are gas discharge tubes. It's part of your lightning suppression circuit. So the main things are insulation just coming into the box, enough slack on your wires to be able to swap between terminals, ground to your AC power ground, tape anywhere you've got bare shield up to make sure you're not running into the box, put heat shrink over your shield wires to protect them from shorting, and always associate your black with your numbered or colored wire to keep from getting them confused later on. Thanks and have a good day.